Hi guys, let us understand the tables using CSS. As we know, we are having one table, and there are some other tag in HTML like th, td, and tr. So tr stands for table row, th table heading, td table data, right? So how we can have a formatting for all these tags with CSS? Look it here. Can you notice this? How we can make this kind of table? Not by just applying some MS Word table formatting. We are using here cascading style sheet, and by using cascading style sheet we can give this effect. We can make this kind of table in web page and we can display. So the look of HTML table can be greatly improved with CSS. Okay, now the table borders. So to specify table borders in CSS, use the border property. Okay, so the example below you can see here I am using table tstd, means for this table tag and ts tag and td tag we have a border. Border is 1 pixel and it should be solid border and it should be black border. So we are just controlling the border here. Now if you want to see the output of this code, look it here. See the result here. You are getting this kind of table. Now let us understand the code here. Now we are defining a style for table th and td, and we are saying border 1 pixel, it should be solid, it should be black color, right? So we are getting black color here. Now here I am using one table, so one table open close here, and then we are saying tier one row, another tier another row, another tier means another row. So there are three rows here we are having, but this tier row is having heading, so we are saying th open th close, and then th open and th close, right? And next row is having data, so td open td close td open and td close. So we are putting some values here, right? Now so you understood this. Here I have used border here. We have specified the width and what kind of border and what kind of color. So wherever you are using table, it will have this border. Okay, and you have noticed that the border was double, right? We come back here and see the border here. You are getting border double, right? The one cell border, another is the border of outer border, right? So how we can control this? Look at the next example. So the border collapse property set the way that the table borders are collapsed into single border or separated. So you can say border collapse equal to collapse. Okay. So once you say the border will get collapsed, and you can see this example, the border has been collapsed to 1, right? See the source code here. I have used table and I say border collapse equal to collapse, and here table td, and we are specifying that another property for the border, right? So once we are getting the table, the border is coming in this format, right? So you have noticed the difference here, the difference between this table and border, right? Okay, so we understood border collapse here and border. Width and height of table is defined by the width and height. So we can simply say table width, and if it is some kind of td and th, so we can say height. Okay, you have noticed here. So for we are specifying the width for the table, and this is my th. You can write for td also. So table row height, I mean the table data in a cell where we have the height of that cell is a 50 pixel. Okay, the example below sets the width of the table to 100% and the height of the th elements to 50%. Okay, 50 pixel. Well, you want to see this code here, so let us come to this place and get the code here. Now you can notice here the height and width of the table we have specified. So table width is 100%, so it is acquiring 100% the full area of the page. And then we are saying height. So the height of this th, you notice that it is a 50 pixel, right? And this is the table which we have. So here we have a started table open, right? And there's a tr, another tr we are having, and the style sheet of this table is what it is here. You can see the style here. Now table open td th and border. So we have spied the border, we have spied the width and height. Okay, yeah. Now text alignment. So the td is having the text, and the td text alignment what you want. So text alignment you can say right. Now it will organize in a right side. So you can just see this here, so that all text has been organized from the right. So you have to just say text align equal to right. The same table, you can just understand this part only. The same stuff it is here. So I have used here text align equal to right, colon right. It will have a right alignment of all the text. So all the tables are there. So wherever I have a TD, that TD will have a text align right here. Okay. So you can see this alignment of the text here. Now table text align, you can, the vertical align property sets a vertical alignment like top, bottom or middle. So TD height, we are giving the height of TD, and we are saying vertical align equal to middle. So vertical it's not in the, you can say bottom, top or middle. Look at this example, you'll get to know here. So you have noticed that all it is like, I'm using this table, and you notice that the data is coming in the bottom, right? So let us see the code and what is the style for this, how it has been applied. So table tdth, the border is 1 pixel solid black we are getting. You can see td height, height is a 50 plus pixel, I'm getting the height 50 pixel. A vertical alignment is a bottom, so that's why the text is coming in the bottom. If you put in the middle, it will come middle. If it top, you can say top here. And if you say text align center, then it will come in this place. If you say middle or center, then it will come to in between. So that you have to take care. So this is the style of where we are using vertical align bottom, right? Height 50 pixel. Okay. Now, to control the space between the border and the content in the table, use the padding property on TD and TH elements. So, if I want to space between the cell or in between the cell, so we can say padding. Now, see the example here. So, you can notice that, just go to see the source here. I'm saying TD padding 15 pixel. So, it will have a space of 15 pixel, okay? If you give a cell spacing, it will have a spacing between this cell. So table is same, just you can check here the padding equal to 15 pixels. So the space between the cell and text will be the 15 pixel. Sorry. So I've just used with heading only, right? Now the text example, sorry, the example below specifies the color of the borders and the text and background color of the elements. So how we can give the border color and text color? So you can see here this example which I have used here. Now you can notice here the text color is green, right? And the background color here is again green, right? So let us understand how we can do that. Now you can notice this code here, the script which we have. Script start from here. This is a script and the content of the table is same. You can see here I have a heading and another 3 row or 4 rows I have, right? So you can use table td and trtd, right? Now you can see border 1 pixel solid green, right? So I'm getting a green border, solid border with 1 pixel. And table heading, so we are saying this table heading, and we are saying background color green, so table heading background will be green, and color white means text color will be white. So see the combination here, right? So the heading is having background green and text color is white. We can specify like this, and you are getting the effect here. It is before you, right? How we can make this kind of table? Look at here. How we can make this kind of table? Like every row is having different colors, right? Alternate colors are changing. Let us understand this example. Very good example to understand this. Okay. So first of all, you understand how to create table. Okay, we have a one. So you notice here first table ID customer. I'm using ID customer. There's a one row which is having heading. Another row which is having data, right? Another row is having data, another data, but I'm saying class alternate. Again another row, again another row, class alternate, right? So you can see the alternate rows are having the same color, right? So similarly I have used one class here. So there's a two class I have used, ALT and customers. Okay, now come back to here. I have made one has customers, right? Has customers. So I'm saying that ID equal to customers, right? So I'm using one customers ID. Now customers, what customer is that? It is saying font family, this much the font. So it will use this font. If it is not, use Arial. If it is not, use this one. Width 100%, border collapse. So you can see this, all the borders are collapsing to the main borders, right? And here we are specifying that has customer TD, means if this customer ID is having TD and TH, then use font size 1 em, border 1 pixel solid, this color, right, green color, and padding. So padding 3 pixels, 7 pixel and 2 pixels, 7 pixel. So padding between all this text, we are using this much padding, right? If it is a heading, so you can see here, if it is a customer th, then font size 1.1 em, text align left, padding top 5 pixel, background color is this, we are getting this color, and color of the text is white, so we are getting white color here, right? Isn't it? So if it is table heading, we are getting this. If it is table data, we are getting this set. So you can see the set here. Now if it is a customer tr.alter, means if I'm using table row and we are saying class ALT, right? In the customer, there's another class we have a ALT. So I've used here dot tr.alt. So ALT is another class here. And we are saying color should be this, means color should be white, right? Sorry, text color should be no color means black color, right? Sorry, here it is a color background color is this color. This is white and this is black, right? So you have noticed that the background color for this, it is here. This is the color, and text color is the black, right? So it is another alter formatting for the table. So by applying this much style, we are able to generate this kind of table here, right? You can notice here. So I hope you understood this whole style, right? So style starts from here and here. This is, if you write this style and okay, in the table, if you go and keep creating rows and say ID customer here and class alt here, right? So you will be getting the effect of the table here. I hope you understood this example. If you want this kind of caption, you can set it here. How you can do? So you can just say here caption side bottom. So we are saying caption side bottom, and here we are using table, and then we are using caption tag. In the caption tag we are saying table, just writing some message. So this caption will automatically go to the bottom, and you have noticed that the message coming in the bottom, right? So you understood the table formatting, cascading style sheet for table. So we were having the border, okay, and table th we can all define for that. So border and background color, right? So that's all about table.